Hello! Let's learn some colors. Purple color, red color, green color, violet color, orange color, let's learn some alphabets. A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Capital letter, small letter. A for apple. Red color, B. B for book. Small b. B for banana. Green color, C. C for candy. Small c. C for cherry. Violet color, D. D for doll. Small d. D for dog. A for apple. B for book. C for candy. D for doll. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.